Hi guys! Welcome to Bob's Graphics and CorelDRAW 2019. Ang power po ng attributes eyedropper ng CorelDRAW 2019. Ito guys yung editable na text. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, editable. Tapos ito, editable din. Yan. Ito, editable din. Ngayon guys, gagawa tayo ng magic. Attributes eyedropper. Ito guys. Ito, attributes eyedropper tool. Copy object such as fill, outline, size, and effects, and apply them to other object. Pindutin natin to guys. At tapat dito sa gagayahan. Tapos dito. Yan. Yan, oh. Napakadali lang guys. Simple. Susundan nyo yan guys agad, oh. Hindi mo na guys kailangan magmano-mano at mag-isa-isa pa. Yan guys ang power ng attributes eyedropper ng CorelDRAW 2019. My short video for my vlogging. Salamat guys. Please share, subscribe, and mag-comment na. Si Poco TV and Bob's Graphics of si Poco Camarinesor. Oh yes!